Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
This single tree has one branch that solely produces apples. The rest is a normal tree. Sweden pays students $120 per month to attend high school. The reason you wake up just before you die in a dream because your brain doesn't know what comes after death. There are beaches in the Maldives that glow in the dark. Meet Yoda, a cat born with 2 extra ears. One of the brilliant piece of advertisement I have ever seen. You cannot flush your toilet after 10 p.m. in Switzerland. Pumbaa from The Lion King was the first Disney character to ever fart on screen. This is how the face of an ant looks like under an electron microscope. Earth is beginning to spin faster. The 28 fastest days ever recorded took place in 2020. The waterfall in Peru, known as Waterfall of the Bride. A 15-year-old boy hacked NASA and caused 21-day shutdown of their computers. A British man changed his name to this to make it harder for telemarketers to pronounce. It's impossible to hum while you hold your nose. Fly dining restaurant in Bengaluru is 160 feet in mid-air. Scotland becomes first country in the world to make sanitary products free. Charles O'Rear clicked the most famous wallpaper of all time. 99% of people backspace their whole password when they mess up with one letter. Monopoly is the most played board game in the world. 92% people type things into Google to see if they spelled the words correctly. The world is the cruise ship where you can live as a permanent resident and wake up in different country every morning. This is not a sketch or drawing, it's makeup done on a real girl. Artist Diane Yawn distorts her own face and body to create extreme beauty looks. A 39-year-old in Germany spends $8,000 on 17 body specifications. He also removed his ears and kept in jars. Couple paid around USD 95,000 to reveal the gender of child on Burj Khalifa, Dubai. A peanut vendor wearing a suit made of peanuts, 1890. The inventor of chocolate chip cookie sold the idea to Nestle Toll House in return for lifetime supply of chocolate. The brain eats itself from lack of sleep. Originally, the design for the first iPhone was literally the shape of an apple. Russians throw away empty vodka and beer bottles. Ocean turns them into colorful glass pebbles. It's not snow, it's just spider season in Australia. The winter in 1932 was so cold that Niagara Falls froze completely solid. Walt Disney was a high school dropout and was fired by a newspaper editor because he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. A woman from Edinburgh, Scotland, had frequent nosebleeds, which she believed was because of a motorbike crash. While in the shower, she felt something poking out of her nose, and it turned out the reason of the nosebleeds was actually a 3-inch long leech living in her nostril. 22 million USD were earned by 7-year-old YouTube star Ryan from Toys Review in 2018.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.